In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own document in DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and features DocuSign offers, so make sure your credentials are handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. Next, we're going to navigate to the option to sign a document. Depending on the version or customization of your dashboard, you'll see an option labeled something like Sign a Document. If not, you might find it under a New Document menu, possibly indicated with terms like New, Sign a Document, or Start, Sign a Document. This is the starting point for uploading and signing your document. Once you've clicked through to the signing section, it's time to upload the document you intend to sign. This could be any document type supported by DocuSign, so make sure you have it ready and accessible on your computer. Click to upload, and in just a few moments, your document will be loaded into the DocuSign interface, ready for you to get signing. Upon entering the signing interface, you'll see your document laid out in front of you. This is where the fun begins. You'll now place your signature. Scan through your document to locate where you need to sign, and simply click to insert your signature. Beyond just signing, you can also add your initials, the current date, or any other required fields specified by the document. It's all about making the document complete and authentic. Once you're satisfied with your inputs and verified everything is in place, it's time to finalize the process. Look for a button labeled Finish, or something akin to that. It might be located at the top or bottom of your interface. Clicking this will complete the signature process. Congratulations, your document is now officially signed. Now that you've signed your document, DocuSign provides options to download it directly to your device. This feature ensures you have a copy of your signed document readily available for your records. Additionally, if you need to share it with others or send it back where it needs to go, you can easily forward it via email or other sharing options provided within the platform. And there you have it, a complete guide to signing your document with ease using DocuSign. Whether for personal or professional purposes, you've now got the know-how. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick reminder. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.